Okay. Hi friends. Today we are going to see Kalyan, who is going to show Python how to draw the Indian flag. Yeah, Kalyan, introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Kalyan. I'm doing an intern as a cloud engineer. In this video, you see how to draw a national flag using a Python.
Yeah,
Let's discuss. I am already in the PyCharm. I coded. See this? Like discuss what I coded in this Python.
yeah.
Let's start with the import turtle.
Sure, you should
This is
share the screen, Kalyan.
yeah. 1 second. Sorry. Yeah. Let's see that is I'm starting with the import turtle. Turtle means it's a pre-installed library already in the Python packages.
So
Likewise,
Kalyan, can you run the program and then we see the output? Then you can go to
yeah,
the code.
okay.
Yes.
Let's we can see.
So guys, this Python program is creating an Indian flag with the animation way. So Kalyan will explain the code, how what are being used to do this Indian flag with the animation. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
this
good,
is
Kalyan. Good.
yeah, this is done by a Python turtle graphics. Like this, it's a Python packages. You can see the Python packages. You can download the packages and download the turtle package. Next, I import the turtle. What is the turtle meaning? It nothing but the turtle is a pre-installed library. Example, you physically want to draw a diagram, like you want a pen, pencil, and a white sheet to draw. Likewise, it's a virtual screen and it's turtle pen to use to draw create a picture like a canvas painting. Yeah, then second, like I put the screen to draw a diagram. So put the screen equal to turtle dot screen output. For getting the output, you see that lastly first I run the code, you see that output. Likewise, then only I give that screen dot turtle into screen. Then on the define a turtle instances. So I give a t equal to turtle dot turtle close brackets. Initially, you want to draw a diagram. This I'm defining some properties like pen up. Pen up means this is ending the turtle pen, and then pen down. Pen down is starting the turtle pen. Example go to. Go to is t dot go to is nothing but a coordination. In this graph, where you to start the diagram. You want to locate that. This is the x-axis and the y-axis. By doing like creating a national flag I am divided into the four types. First, three rectangles. First rectangle will be orange, white, and blue. Then in the middle of the rectangle, you want to draw a chakras. Ashok chakra. I have 24 strokes. Like example, see then diagram. I'll show that. This is a graph, and this like I'm plotting that. I'm going to. I see a 1 second. In the code you see that minus 400 250. Why I take it this code, why I take it this dimension, like when I'm get it from the Google, there are so many dimensions, a flat dimension according to your size. You can create it your own and customize it, right? Let's go to painting. Then I example I started this and I want to yes, triangle, right? Three triangles, right? One and two. I taken that length. You want to draw a triangle, you want to give a dimensions. I take it the length will be 800 and it will be at 167. Yeah. Then I taken the chakras, a circle with 360 degree. So we want to 24 stroke in that. So divide into 360 by 24, like get 15 degree each. So you get 24 lines. So given 24 lines. In that, he firstly run the code like you get a small circle in this. Yeah. He said you get a small circle. I taken that as 3 dimension. The all the 800 166 are taken as a dimensions, unit as dimensions. I am taken in this. Then yeah, let's discuss with your code and define your properties. And then first you want to draw a orange rectangle. Say okay, taken. This is T dot color. It's used to fill or select the color. First rectangle draw a orange, say give a orange. Second, this is begin dot fill. This used to fill the color in the shapes. What shapes you like? More in a triangle. This properties will fill the color orange. And then you want to. I already said that I'm taken 800 into 167 length into breadth. First, you can see that and see and taken that this is start with forward direction. Like this way forward. First the 800. See that you go to forward direction and turn right hand side to 90 degree and forward to 167. 167 again turn into 90 degree is 167 dimensions. Again turn right and join you get a rectangle. And already I code that to begin to fill. So orange color in the fill. So get a rectangle. And then second, you want the white triangle. In the Tattal graphics, white is a default color. So you don't have any colors. But you want to draw a diagram. Like, and second, give a other code like this. From this, the first rectangle is completed. From turn right, I give same, and following the three rectangles the same dimension, 800 into 167. Once again, this line will be 800 on 167 and the rectangle is formed. And want to form the third rectangle. The third rectangle will be a green color. Same similarly following that T gives a color green to begin to full and then same similar dimensions are using to create the rectangle. After creating the three rectangles, you want to create the chakras in the middle of the triangle. Example, creating a three rectangle, it will be a white, orange and green. You want to create the chakras. And doing this, I'm taking the three circle. First circle will be a blue color and second will be a white and middle of the circle is a blue. From this, you need to join the 24 strokes to go into the in 24 strokes in every 15 degree is a gap between 15 degree. In 15 degree, in the you draw a circle like in this circle going to the first encoded you going to first code first circle outer circle. For that I mentioned the blue circle like first want to circle to start a circle where to start and then I given the coordination 70 by 8 into 0 like that is in this it started x 70 into 0. Yeah, this is x-axis, y-axis. So y the coordination 0 into 70. The circle is a starting point. Yeah, and as you mentioned, and then and giving the colors, the circle color will be a navy. I given that. After the circle come After the circle is completed, you want to fill the color. I given the navy color. This option will fill the color. I given the radius. This is a starting point. The T circles 70 and give a radius is a dimension. After this n fill to completed. The circle is completed, the color should be stopped. I given this command. After the bleak blue circle is completed, you next circle will be this. Yeah, this will be fully a blue color. Next will be a white circle. The inner part of the circle should be drawn. Similarly, like same using that want to give a 60. On the different small difference that I give 70 and 60. Then
So
same
basically, this T dot pen up, T dot circle, T
yeah,
dot,
Pete
these are the
yeah,
graphics from Turtle, right?
yes. This is the pen up to start the turtle points.
Correct.
This pen down is stop the turtle.
Yes.
Example, I give that go to a coordination.
Mm,
Let's say give this a starting coordination, like you give the 16 to 17
mm,
to positioning to start a circle.
mm,
Example, you want to stop, right? The circle want to start using a pen up. The circle want to stop. And then the coordinations are given the pin down
okay.
options.
So this I think we find we the same code for if you scroll down. Scroll down.
For
So for the blue thing also it is same, right? So scroll
yeah,
down,
all the same.
scroll down, scroll
First,
down,
yeah,
scroll down. So we no need to take much time actually. So turtle dot done is the function name, right? Basically it runs the
yeah, right.
console. So you have been using the turtle as the module or library, and you
Yeah,
have drawn the Indian flag in this different functions, right? That T dot pen up and giving it. Can you run the
yeah,
program again? Let's see the output. So this is where the pen drop starts and it fills the blue orange color. Then it do the green and then it starts it. And this is the white circle he was explaining. Then this was the pen up where it puts small circles in the there's a white circle inside, but again it puts the small circles which he has coded, which he was explaining. So this is where the start and stop point is needed to be declared in the
yeah,
turtle. And this is
yeah,
the center circle, and it is the 24 lines which is drawing from that circle to this
yeah.
circle.
Or using a for range, the 24 times will be loop will be generated.
Okay. So yeah, this very good session, Kalyan. I think this is more of using the Python turtle and create a graphical output. And this is not only for Indian flag, right? We can do any graphical
Yeah.
uh, picture
By
or
using
image.
a Patel graphics, you can able to draw a picture
Mm,
like paintings.
good,
Any
good.
flags you can done by a Python Patel graphics.
Yeah. So I think, guys, it would be useful for you. And if you have any questions, you can comment. Thank you, Kalyan. Bye.
Thank you.